The headlines keep changing. One day, it's a buyer's market, the next day, rates are rising. And if you've been wondering, is now a good time to buy a house? You're not alone. Hey everyone, it's Alyssa with Bay Property Management Group, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cut through the noise and walk through what's really happening in today's housing market, the key trends you should watch, and how to make smart buying decisions in 2025. The housing market doesn't move in a straight line, it reacts to the economy. Here are the big factors to keep your eye on. Mortgage interest rates are starting to come down after a spike, and that drop could make homeownership more affordable for buyers waiting on the sidelines. Inflation. After a few turbulent years, inflation is cooling, which helps ease construction costs and puts less upward pressure on home prices. Job market employment is mostly stable, though some areas like Washington, D.C. are seeing ripple effects from government job cuts. Stable job markets support housing demand, while weaker ones push more people toward renting. These shifts create a mixed but cautiously optimistic picture for buyers. Another key factor is housing supply. When inventory is low, buyers face stiff competition, higher prices, and bidding wars. But when more listings hit the market, buyers gain leverage. In 2025, some areas like DC are seeing an increase in available homes, up more than 25% compared to last year. That's giving buyers more options, negotiating power, and less pressure to rush into a decision. And it's not just DC and Baltimore. More listings are beginning to surface in certain neighborhoods where rising costs have motivated some owners to sell. This creates opportunities for buyers who may have felt priced out a year ago. Meanwhile, in Richmond, the market is adjusting as well, with a steady flow of new listings that give buyers more breathing room compared to the frenzied conditions of the past few years. The takeaway? While national trends get the headlines, local inventory shifts tell the real story. For many buyers, this broader availability means you can slow down, compare properties, and make a smarter, more confident purchase. If you're thinking about entering the market, here are a few strategies to make it work. Buy below your budget. Leave room for repairs and unexpected costs. Target growing neighborhoods. Look for areas with signs of development, transit access, or job growth. Consider fixer-uppers. Homes that need light updates often offer better value and equity potential. Think long-term. Ask yourself, could I rent this property later if I needed to? Flexibility is key in an unpredictable market. Stay local. National headlines matter, but real estate is hyper-local. Work with experts in your area to spot real opportunities. Of course, buying a home isn't risk-free. One of the biggest dangers is overstretching your budget. Purchasing at the very top of what you qualify for may feel doable at first, but it leaves little room for life's surprises. There's also the reality of falling home values. If you buy at a peak and prices dip, your property's short-term value could drop, even if it's a strong long-term investment. Hidden repair costs are another common pitfall. A home that looks move-in ready may still need major fixes, which is why inspections are so critical. And finally, timing pressure, whether it's fear of missing out or racing to lock in a rate, can push buyers into hasty decisions that lead to regret. The bottom line is that patience and preparation are your best safeguards. Taking your time helps you avoid costly mistakes and ensures you buy with confidence, not panic. So, is now a good time to buy a house? The answer depends on your finances, your goals, and your local market. Rates are starting to ease, inventory is improving in some areas, and inflation is calming, creating opportunities for prepared buyers. The key is to do your homework, budget wisely, and think long-term. Smart decisions now can give you both stability and growth in the years ahead. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights on real estate and rental market trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.